Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access to some area of this app in Windows Defender. Error when accessing Windows security settings. Let's get started. Let's start by opening the registry editor. Type regedit in the search bar and select it from the results. If prompted, click yes to allow. Once you're in the registry editor, expand the following folders: HKey local machine, then software, then policies. Now find Windows Defender folder, right click on it and select delete. And just confirm by clicking yes. Next, we need to open the group policy editor. Right click on the Windows logo and select run. In the run box, type gpupdate.msc and press OK. This should open the group policy editor. Now, if you're using Windows Home Edition, you'll need to enable the group policy editor first. Check the video in the descriptions for instructions on how to do that. Once you're in the group policy editor, select Administrative Templates from the left menu. On the right, double-click on the Windows components. Scroll down and double-click on the Windows Security. Then double-click on the Virus and Threat Protection. Now double-click on Hide the Virus and Threat Protection area. Set it to Not Configured. Apply the changes and close the editor. And now let's run a command. Open the command prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD in the taskbar search. Right-click on the command prompt and select Run as an administrator. In the command prompt window, type or copy and paste this command from the video's descriptions. Once executed, you should see a message saying the computer policy update has completed successfully. And now, let's check to see if the problem has been resolved. Open the virus and threat protection settings, and you shouldn't see the error message anymore. Let me know in the comment section if this has worked for you. And if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.